We knew that we had to run digital ads, but with so many things to do when you run a small business, we just didn't do it. And we knew about Dario for a long time. We were thinking about it for a long time. As soon as we onboarded, within 2 weeks, we were getting crazy results, and our workshops were sold out, sold out, sold out, sold out. And I just wish that we started sooner, to be honest. So my name is Raz. I'm the general manager at Gulf Photo Plus. We're a photography center. We've been in Dubai since 2007. And one of our products is educational workshops for photography. And before Facebook ads and before digital ads became a huge thing, these would sell out like crazy. But as the times changed, we didn't keep up with it. And there was always something more urgent or more important to do. So we kept delaying it, and we knew what we had to do. But in the end, it was just about giving 37 Consult our knowledge, our experience, what we know works for our customers, what our customers are interested in, give that to them, and then let them be the experts at running the ads and finding the customers for you. They can't do it without you, you can't do it without them. As soon as you give them the results, within 2 weeks, you'll know if it's working or not. Like, it's as simple as that. They design the content, they design the ad structure, they run the ads for you, and they keep you updated along the whole way, what's going on. So yeah, like I highly recommend 37 Consult. And just if you've been seeing the ads, you've been seeing Dario, you're thinking about it. I also took way too long to onboard properly. Do it as fast as you can, and you'll know very quickly if it's working for you, and I'm pretty sure it will.